Histology of cerebrum. So here comes the outer layer, and this layer has so many divisions. In the lower aspect, here is the white matter. There are six divisions, 6 layers are there. First layer is the plexiform layer. So here we'll get some horizontal cells of Kajal is there, along with the processes of the other pyramidal cells, everyone like even cells of Martinot is there, pyramidal cells. So all will go horizontally arranged fibers we can see along that cells of Kajal. That is coming in the first layer. Then second layer, that is the outer granular layer. There are small sized pyramidal cells we can see. So here we can scattered some small sized pyramidal cells we can make in the second layer. So this is the second layer. So first layer is the plexiform layer. So this is the first layer, plexiform layer. Then second layer is the outer granular layer. This is the second layer, outer granular layer. And next third layer, it is the pyramidal cell layer. So this is the third layer. Here we'll get medium sized pyramidal cells are there. So you can make little more big size pyramidal cells layer. You can make it medium sized pyramidal cells layer. So this is the pyramidal cell layer. Then fourth layer is inner granular layer. So this is the fourth layer. So here we will get inner granular layer. There are different type of cells are there. There inner granular layer, mainly the fourth layer. So there we will get stellate cells. Some of the stellate cells are there. Stellate cells, and along with that there's a band of fibers, clearly outer band of Bell-Agar we can find there. And next is this is the fourth layer I told. It's a inner granular layer. Inner granular layer. Then next is the fifth layer. Fifth layer is known as the ganglionic layer. So fifth layer is here, ganglionic layer. This fifth layer, ganglionic layer, we will get large pyramidal cells. This is the ganglionic layer. So here we will get large pyramidal cells. So now this is the large pyramidal cells. Then along with that there is also that inner band of Bell-Agar is there. The horizontal fibers are that fibers band you can see clearly that all the process forms the outer band of inner band of Bell-Agar. Then next in the sixth layer is the polymorphous layer. This is the sixth layer. This is the polymorphous layer. This polymorphous layer, or it has one more name, or it has otherwise known as multiform layer. Now see, there are two band of Bell-Agar I made. So these two. So here is one, here is another. That is known as outer band of Bell-Agar in the fourth layer. and another one is the inner band of bilateral. Both lies in the fourth and fifth layer. That is the horizontal processes, all the processes arising from different neurons and forms a transversely arranging fiber form. Then next is in each layer which are the cells are present here. Like here I told these cells are present here. That is the horizontal cells of Kajal. Horizontal cells of Kajal is the main cell there. And the second one is small sized pyramidal cells are there here. This is the small sized pyramidal cells. Along with that, in that second layer we will get few stellate cells also. So few stellate cell. So this stellate cells few are there. So in each layer, see outer plexiform layer, outer granular layer. So then next third layer is the pyramidal cell layer. Pyramidal cell layer we have only the medium sized pyramidal cells are there. Medium sized pyramidal cells. Now the fourth layer is the inner granular layer. There we have more type of cells, three type of cells. One is the large sized cells here. This is the here. These cells are the bed cells. You can label it anywhere. You can make it here also. Here is large sized pyramidal cells. Other name is Betz cells. Then they one more type, it is the some few stellate cells also there here. So this is the stellate cell. This is the fourth layer, okay. Then stellate cells are there, and that mentioned. This one fourth layer already we mentioned, no. Fourth layer already mentioned. This is the fifth layer. We told bed cells along with some stellate cells and cells of Martinotti also there. So one more type of cells we can see here. That is known as the cells of Martinotti. Then next one it is this multiform layer. Is there no here? So there we will get small sized pyramidal cells. So here small sized pyramidal cells. So this is the sized pyramidal cells, will get it there. Along with that we will get some stellate cells and again the cells of Martinotti and fusiform cells. So there are three type of cells present here. So here we will get some stellate cells, some cells of Martinotti and also some fusiform cells. So there are four type of cells. So in the multiform layer, polymorphous layer, there are four type of cells. Small sized pyramidal cells, then stellate cells, then cells of Martinotti and fusiform cells. So in the sixth layer there are four type of cells, and this is the inner white matter part is going again. White matter. So this much about the cerebrum layers. So there are a total 6 layers. Okay, 6 layers are there. Thank you.